Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. Thank you so much for joining me. I am asking you to hit that subscribe button and also give us a thumbs up if you like the video. We appreciate the support. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Also, we have a spinner today that is prepared with a 12-inch round, in which I'm going to be using my plastic mallet to do a splash and spin. I'm starting today with the Amsterdam bluish green, and that will be my base color to begin with. It's been a while since I've used this color in particular, but I'm using it to start off our puddle with today. And we're going to use other colors to assist in blending our splash and spin. I also have the Arteza Pearl Lime Green, another awesome color. I'm looking to get some shimmer and shine from this. The pearl colors really do show up and show out. With that, we've got Brilliant Blue by Arteza. One I haven't used in a while, but you can see it's a nice, rich, dark blue. And on top of that, I'm putting some Master's Touch Pearlized White. And we're going to give that a nice squeeze. We have my Hooker Green by Liquitex Basics on top of that. We have some blues and greens, as you can see, on this color palette. And we've got some Primary Blue, another fabulous blue color by Liquitex Basics. It's a little brilliant. And I'm using the Liquitex Basics Silver. All right, and I'll also use some Liquitex Basics Mars Black just in the middle here, and also as a filler to assist in getting this, tipping this over, just tilting it to get centered a little bit more to fill in should we need it. Now, I like to do some of this beautiful pearlized pearl lime in the middle. And we'll torch all of this so far. We're going to take and put some of the Mars Black around the edge here. Let that kind of start to fill in. We'll give it just a few seconds to kind of find its way across this canvas. Torching again. And then I'm going to take my mallet and do my splash. And look at that. Beautiful. And it's coming in, all filling in nice and beautifully. You want to have enough paint on there to be able to do a good, effective splash. And it's not so much the number of colors that you use, but that does help with the outcome in terms of if you want to see different hues of color. Like in this splash, you can really see the splash and blend of merging of colors. This is all coming back together once it closes up. I can take a look at it and really see where it's at. I love the splash as it looks right now even. I'm going to take and pop these air bubbles. So pretty. And I'm going to give this a gentle spin around. Watching that design trying to decide on if I want to splash anymore or if I want to tilt, which I'm going to do a little bit of tilting just to bring this more centered. And then I'm going to spin another round. Whoa, there we go. Don't want it to go crazy, but you can see how big and how fast that happens. How much that blended, that is very pretty. I love it. I'm not going to do any more spinning. I'm going to take and do some filling in with the black. If I do any spinning, it's going to be very little, just to get this over the edge where we need to have the negative space and this filler take on filling in. Oh, that's very pretty. Very careful not to spin too much, because you want to keep that design intact. Wonderful. You can always use your finger or a tool to assist in getting the canvas covered on the sides if you need to. In this case, we're getting it with our finger. Just going around, checking the sides, checking all the edges, making certain that we can get what we need covered. Beautiful. I am this is stunning, truly stunning. Wow. All right, guys, this is a 12-inch round with, I believe we used, let's see, 7 colors and an 8th color with the black. So 8 colors total to get this outcome. But isn't that awesome? Wow, simply stunning. Let me give myself an opportunity to finalize this with torch. I love the butterfly effect that we have back here. We have a beautiful merge of colors with the splash coming out, and the shimmer and shine, which is what I was hoping to get, is just spectacular with those pearlized colors, the pearl lime and the pearlized white. I'm going to take a Panabrand stick around just to wipe underneath as we turn to ensure we've got coverage from all angles of this 12-inch round. That is beautiful. I love, love, love it. Let's give it an opportunity for you to see it close up. Let's bring you in. Well, here we are with our close-up of this 12-inch round in which we've done a splash and spin. Our flash is on so you can see the beauty of the details in this design. You can see the shimmer and shine from the pearlized colors on top of each of these other colors blending in so nice. Look at the twisting of the splash here all the way out to the edge. So spectacular. Along with the blend of colors that we have here with the shimmer and shine from the lacing that we have from the splash, and giving it a butterfly effect where those colors have just burst into such an awesome combination. Look at that. Gorgeous. I am loving it. And you can see all the way out to the edge where we have the negative space, but I love these twisties that we get from the splash, along with the beautiful merging of colors and the shimmer and shine, more twisties here and down here. Amazing. All the way out to the edge. Here we have it, the full design. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please try this out. It's so much fun. Splash and spin, and do refer to the description box below should you need to find out what colors I use again. This was such a great array of colors, And the more colors you use in terms of mix, you will see the details of how they all blend and they show up. You don't need a lot of color to do the splash and spin, but if you want to see a lot of intricate details and blending of color, you probably want to try more than just a few colors. All right, until next time, keep loving your art, and don't forget to join me on my Facebook group, Anita White Art. Please answer all the questions, as it is a private Facebook group if you'd like to be considered for a membership. Until next time, keep loving your art. Bye now.